guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. A word of epilogue for all you guys out there. Remember, I always say, try not to speak negative things about people. Okay? If you can't say anything good, just don't say anything. Now, this is the first authentic Jamaican restaurant on this island. There is no other. Alright? No other. This is the first one. Okay? I've been here since 2011. I have some folks here. I'm not sure where they're from. I didn't ask them. I was just busy cooking.
Boston.
They're from Boston. Oh yes, they did tell me, but it's not. Seattle, Boston and Seattle, Washington. Now, I'm going to start with coming to you first. Come to this beautiful lady. What's your, oh, sorry. Let me go to him first.
Amazing.
Maisie? What's your name?
Amazing jerk chicken,
Yeah,
brown chicken,
Brown stew chicken.
Oxtail.
Oxtail. I got ackee and saltfish. And plantain. And we got some finicky people. When I say finicky, they're allergic. So I have to be careful. And how is it being careful? Is it still okay, the food?
Amazing.
no
They're
problem.
allergic to gluten. Now, your name is?
Melissa.
Melissa. Now tell the people.
I'm a home chef and I cannot, no words.
You hear that, guys?
Perfection.
That's a big compliment, and I won't bug her anymore because that's enough said. He already said his piece. This gentleman, he's allergic to coconut. And I was able to make something. Well, the food was not, except for the rice. Everything else, how did you like the food? What's your name?
Ramon,
Ramon.
amazing.
Amazing.
Never tasted anything like it.
Hey guys, you hear that? So you need to come experience. I want my customer to experience for themselves. I don't ask them and plan the video. I catch them while they're eating so they can tell you themselves. Now this beautiful young lady, she's allergic, she's to gluten and stuff.
I have celiac disease, and I can 100% say this place is perfectly safe. You will be taken care of here.
Thank you. What's your name? Sorry.
Natalie.
Natalie, you hear what she said, guys? Just pay attention to what she says. We're real here. And this beautiful young lady, what's your name?
Stella.
Stella. Now, Stella, how did you like? What did you like the food, Stella?
Yep, it was amazing.
You ever had Jamaican food before? And which one did you have?
The chicken.
She had the chicken, jerk chicken or brown stew.
Jerk chicken.
How do you compare?
This one's way better.
You hear that, guys? So take their word for it, not mine. I'm not saying it; they're saying it. And last one,
Moist.
tell them.
The last time we had jerk chicken, it was dry. This is like fall off the bone, moist.
You hear that, guys?
Amazing.
She said the last time they had jerk chicken, it was dry because it's not real jerk chicken. I'm gonna tell you the history of jerk chicken, and I'm gonna tell you where the word come from before I get to this young lady. Jerk chicken, it comes from a Sanskrit Latin word, means falling off the bone. When the Spaniards first came to Jamaica, when the Maroons cooked meat, and they presented to them, when they bit into the meat, it's like, anybody ever seen Passion of the Christ when they was whipping him and the flesh was falling off, like literally falling off the bone? That is the meaning of the word jerk. It's not an English word, it's an ancient word meaning falling off the bone. So jerk chicken is not supposed to be dry. If you're getting dry jerk chicken, those people are lazy, and it's not supposed to be dry. I'm telling you right now. And if you eat it dry, it's what you get used to that make you have in your mind what something should really taste like. But jerk chicken means falling off the bone. I have my dictionary. I'm gonna see if I can find it, and I'll show it to these people. Now, before I get more into it, let me come to this beautiful young lady. What is your name, sweetie?
Liz.
Liz. Liz, this is your first time having jerk?
Second time.
Second time. And what do you think?
Speechless.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Wow, guys. So I won't say anymore. Are you from Boston also?
Washington.
She's from Washington, Seattle, right? They're from Seattle. It's a beautiful family. They came in. I appreciate their patience, because if you come and you don't have patience, I don't want to do anything for you. I really don't, because I'm not a chef. I wish people would stop saying I'm a chef. I'm not a chef. I consider myself an artist, because when I go in my kitchen, things that I do, nobody does it.
That's right.
So, thank you guys. You are beautiful, and thank you for your patience. Enjoy your meal, and I hope to see you again, and you tell your friends. And spread the word. Please, spread the word.
I already.
You hear that, guys? A round of applause. What did you say? What was you saying?
I literally just took a picture of that and sent it to my friend. He comes He comes to the Dominican
Okay.
2-3 times a year.
Okay.
I just sent him a picture of your sign.
I might be.
I said it has to be your first stop. when
That's
you come
right.
back.
Listen, guys, I might be coming to Seattle and Boston because I'm gonna be doing food festivals. So I want to come to the biggest food festival. I want to do those when I come to the States this year. I'm working on that as we speak. I'm trying to get an RV, trying to buy an RV so that I can drive from state to state. And I guarantee you one thing. When I come to America again, if the Most High will, you will never taste food like this nowhere. Because what I'm gonna do, because I import all my stuff from Jamaica. So now I'm bringing this to the States because I come to the States the other day and the food that I see people eating, calling it jerk chicken and Jamaican food, it's good food. I'm not putting it down. But what I used to see my grandparents do, it's not what I'm seeing. Brown stew chicken. Look, this is brown stew chicken. It's totally, totally different from what I see them selling in America. And the reason I have to say is the people's fault because people don't have time, they don't have patience, and nobody wants to lose money. But me, I don't care. Your money's good, but the food is better.
Yeah, you can too.
Guys, thank you. Love you very much. Happy New Year. And say Happy New Year to the people.
Happy New Year!
All right. All right. Thanks, guys.